Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about attributes of Numpy arrays. So attributes means properties of arrays like what is the dimension, what is the shape, which data types, and the item size means how many elements available in particular array. So let's understand one by one. So let's understand first dimension. Dimension means the size of an array dimension means 1D, 2D or 3D array. So let's define one array. Okay, let's find out the dimension of this particular array. For that, a dot, after that tab, we have to find the dimension. For that, and dim is used to find out the dimension. Let's print it, let's run it. Okay, so it is showing 1. So it is a one dimensional array. So it is showing 1. Let's convert it into 2D array and let's check the dimension. For convert into 2D array, we have to okay. It's an example of 2D array. Let's find out by using of AND. Okay, here you can see the dimension of particular array is 2D. This is the this is how we check the dimensions of particular array. Now let's understand shape of an array. Let's take the same example so that it will be easy to check. To find out say, a dot by using of tab, we can find out different attributes available. Okay, it is showing me shape. Shape will give number of rows and number of columns available in particular array. So here you can see there are only 5 rows available. It's a 5 rows and there is no column. So it is showing me 5 rows, there is no column. So let's understand by using a second example. Now find out the now find out the shape. Okay, here you can see it's a two-dimensional array. Number of rows is equal to 2 and number of columns is equal to 2. So in this way, we can find out the shape of a particular array. Let's find out data types, which data types available in particular array. Let's create a new array. To check the data types, we have to use d types method. D type. Okay, here you can find out that it's int 64. So number of elements available in particular array are integer, so it is giving as a int 64. 64 bit is the system, it is giving me a system detail about 64. Now let's understand the item size. Item size means how much element available in particular array it will give. Like there are total 5 elements available in particular array. So it will give item size as equal to 5. Let's check by using a item size function. Print b dot item size. It's showing me 8. I don't understand the concept. Here you can find out like item size it's 8. It will showing 8 byte is taken by a particular single element. So it is showing me a 8. But if you find out all the elements available in particular array, we have to use size function so that we can find out the how much element available in particular array. So a dot size will give me a 4 because at last we have find out that there are total 4 elements available in array A variable in array A. So let's find out in B. Okay, there are total 5 elements available in array B, so it is giving me as 5. So there might be a little bit confusion between item size and the size. Size will give all the items available in a particular array, and item size will give uh, size taken by an one element, or how much size it is taking into a memory. 8 is showing like 8 byte it is taking for a particular single element. So item size will define that thing, and the size will define all the elements or how much elements available in particular array. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Stay safe and keep learning. We will see more such videos in next. Thank you very much.